So today we also have health fair. Everything in there is free. The health fair. So you need eyeglasses or things like that. It's free in there. Okay, but you need the voucher for the food.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to AUHS for our 11th annual Community Health Fair, where we'll be serving the community of Long Beach and Signal Hill.
What we're doing differently this year is we are collecting information from our community so that we can identify their specific needs and provide targeted resources to better support them.
Have you had your blood pressure checked recently at all?
Yes, it was.
Flu shot.
And we have our student pharmacists and student nurses that are out there to help the community. They're giving out flu shots, they're doing immunization checkups, and all that is part of the education. And again, giving back to the community.
Hi, how are you? We're stopping right here. We'll take your paper. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3. Yeah! You can head on to number 4.
All right, thank you.
Conditioners. So we have 19 booths today.
Right.
That's awesome. So they will stamp and go to each booth, and once they finish the booth, they will go to the very last, and then they'll get their grocery, and they completed the whole health fair.
That's what we needed. Our students volunteer to give out the food and the groceries and the chicken to our community. So we do this every year with the health fair. So we're very excited. We have a lot of volunteers, so it's doing great so far.
Yeah, we're doing God's work. Yeah, we're giving back to the community. That's what AUHS does.
I just want to say thank you guys for taking time out of your schedules to come and meet the needs of people that may have challenges and difficulties and obstacles to good health. We know that if we serve God, we do the better part of everything. Amen?
Amen.